India Today TV, along with 70 other news channels, is a proud member of the News Broadcasters Association since 2007. We strictly follow the code of ethics and guidelines issued by NBSA. Beware of unregulated channels. Straight to the latest developing angle in the Bollywood drug investigation, and the video you see on the wall behind me, which I'm sure all of our viewers have become very familiar with, is going to be the subject of an investigation by the Narcotics Control Bureau as it expands this probe. Trouble is mounted now for director Karan Johar for his 2019 party, that's the one on your screen, attended by top Bollywood actors and filmmakers. The Narcotics Control Bureau is likely to probe this particular 2019 party organized by Karan Johar. This video was put out by Karan himself. The Narcotics Control Bureau suspects that cocaine or other drugs were consumed at Karan Johar's party depicted in this video. Sources say that the stars who attended the party are also under the scanner. The video of the party was put out by Karan Johar himself last year. Karan Johar was however trashed. He has however trashed the charges since last year, saying no drugs were used anywhere in this party. I want to go across to India Today's Mustafa Sheikh for a quick update on this. Mustafa, correct me if I'm wrong, the subject matter of this particular party and the people involved, and you can see many different actors, all of them top stars in this particular video, they are likely to be questioned in the days and weeks ahead. Is that right?
Well, Shiv, the first questioning will be with Karan Johar, if any, because the video has surfaced from his party and he'll have to clarify what had happened. And also, it is for the NCB to look for some prima facie evidences before starting an investigation to the entire new matter, because there have been allegations regarding this video, but there have been no chats, there have been no, statements. What can be interesting, Shiv, when tomorrow Deepika Padukone is questioned, whether she is questioned on this particular dated party of Karan Johar or not, and then the things can start from there. Based on her statement, the NCB can go out, and whether if she says that there was narcotics consumption there, then the entire party would be under the probe, and people who had participated in it will be investigated. But yes, there is some initial link of prima facie evidence which the NCB needs to start this probe on this entire party angle. Back to you.
Okay, stay with me, Mustafa, for more updates on this developing story. We're trying to get reactions from all of the people in that particular video. Remember, here on India Today, we do not establish complicity of any kind. We're only reporting the proceedings, and what we're hearing is that the party itself and the people who attended that party are likely to come under scrutiny by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Now, both Karan Johar, whose party it was, and one of the people you see in that video, famous actor Vicky Kaushal, had earlier spoken about this alleged drug party to India Today. This is what they had to say in defense of perceptions that this was some kind of a drug party. Here's what they said.
There was this clip of your party, Karan, that I just showed Vicky. You want to refresh your memory and see it? What happened there? Got into a little trouble with the party clip?
Apparently you're not allowed to scratch your nose. Apparently you're not about to hide. You're supposed to be hiding something when actually it's a phone charger. And apparently you're not supposed to just mingle with a group of friends and have a really chilled out evening. And apparently if a group of Bollywood is in a room, then you're obviously doing drugs. That is the ridiculousness of what happened as a result of that video. Would I be stupid in bright lights to put out a video of a group of friends if there was a consumption of any medical substance? My house and where I stay, and everybody who's visited my house, my mother lives on the same level as that particular drawing room. She was with us, sitting, she had dinner with us, we were chatting. It was that kind of evening. She went back, and then this video was taken, and after that there was this big uproar on social media, and I was really angered with the kind of responses that were coming in. And then I was amused at how ridiculous it is. A group of friends, and you can see that people were analyzing ridiculous things, and poor Vicky, coming out of a bout of dengue, scratched his nose, and that went into a tiz. It's ridiculous. And I've said that the next time there are people who make these allegations, baseless allegations and accusations, we will deal with that very strictly.
This is the night Karan calls all of us, ki, we are just chilling, let's hang together. Like, okay, fine. And we go there. And 3 days before this night, I had just recovered from dengue. For 10 days, I've been sitting at home under dengue, and it was the most boring thing. to be a part of. And I start recovering. Doctors say you can get back to shoot, you can start doing workshops and stuff. I start doing that. And I go there, and it was, I think, 1 a.m. or 1:30, I don't know what. But we were just chilling. 5 minutes before this video was made, Karan's mom is there. She's come back from some trip that she had gone to, and she's chidkoing Ganga Jal on our foreheads. And she goes back to her room to go to sleep, and he makes this video. And this was not the first take. Karan had attempted some 4 times. Four times he had attempted to make this video, and he didn't get his perfect shot. Karan was even having a pout while making the video when he was not in the video. But so for the first 3 takes, we were all, hey, what's up? Hey. By the 4th time, we were like, Karan, just get done with your video, man. And so this time, we didn't know that he's going to make a video. So everybody's like reacting to the video. And I guess that scratch of the nose, it's a very normal thing. I didn't know that it's only got one meaning to it. That if you scratch your nose, it's got something to do with drugs only. And I think the timing was just perfect. My post-dengue look was perfect. If anything of that sort was happening in the room, a person like Karan Johar, who's doing like 100 different things in his life in one day.
Yeah.
A person like that who holds an empire would put up a video himself. It's not like a video was made by somebody and posted. He's putting up himself, writing Saturday Night Vibes.
Yeah.
Why would anybody do that?
So Mustafa Sheikh, our correspondent who's tracking developments on this story, is still with me. Mustafa, categorical denials and defenses have come from Karan Johar and Vicky Kaushal, 2 of the big stars who are in that particular video. Karan Johar was filming that video even though he's not visible. You're saying that it's likely that Karan Johar might be summoned for questioning in regard to this video. Do we know when this could happen, Mustafa?
What we are saying, Shiv, at this point of time is that the inquiry is being done as the video was allegedly of a drug party night, and because Deepika Padukone was also a party to it, she may be asked about this entire incident, whether she knows anything about it and whether there was narcotics consumption on this entire night or not. And from there, NCB, if picks up some kind of clues and tip-offs and evidences which cite that there can be a possibility of narcotics because there is a categorical denial, then they may call Karan Johar first to investigate and entirely understand what the matter is about. But yes, the video is being propped up each time there is an investigation, but the one person who was from the party is now coming to record a statement with NCB. It's likely that she can be asked about it. Back to you.
Okay, Mustafa, thank you very much. When we know more, we'll update our viewers on that. No speculation. We know that the video and that party are going to be under scrutiny. Who gets called remains something that the Narcotics Control Bureau will have to decide on. We'll keep you updated on that without speculating.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.